Hello. Morning. This really tells us we need to start early, a little early, so we can catch up. If it is like this, if the weather is like this, we can definitely go up the hill without a problem. But if the sun beats, once the sun opens up, you don't want to be in the sun. So anytime before 9 we should go up. You need anything? Okay. Oh. You're great. So Aconcagua, the same thing. I need to, I'm gonna contact an expedition company called Inca. And what they do is, they will get my backpacks up to the base camp, which is like 3,800 meters.
Where are you talking about?
Aconcagua, Argentina. And after that it's me, right? I had to take care of myself.
That's next year?
This year, yeah.
You're doing this year?
Yeah, so River, like I'm gonna plan the South America trip. First I'll go, and then you'll catch up with me later.
Okay.
Hi there.
Oh, so this is before I got there.
I'm sorry?
So you were doing this before I got there?
Before you get there, yeah.
So you're going to be super dark again?
No, this time I know I'll be buying the real mountaineering stuff, so I'm more prepared. If I do that, then I'll be the world's second tallest what do you call it? I mean, continent-wise, they divided these mountains into 7 categories, right? So usually they suggest to start from the base and then go to the slowly, gradually go to the top, which is Mount Everest. But I started in the middle, Kilimanjaro. I should have done Maui and all that smaller mountains, right? So, but anyway, I'm okay. Now I'm skipping Denali because Denali is much more strenuous than Aconcagua, because Aconcagua at least you can take one backpack. Denali you have to take backpack and you need to drag a sledge behind you. So you need to drag that sledge for uphill. It's crazy actually. That's a crazy hike. And Denali is next year. And if I do that, then K2 2026. And K2 is ultimate. My ultimate goal is K2. And if I do it, I'll stop my mountaineering after that completely. And I'll do regular hikes. Scenic, because I think that will give me enough scare for my life. How are you girls doing? Good. Don't step on any stones, okay? It will twist your ankle. Thank you for the food. It's really, I think now I feel my senses. No, I did not eat that yet.
Do you have chicken with you?
Yeah, in my pocket. But if you feel hungry, let me know. I'm gonna, you know, I know you need to eat something.
I don't eat breakfast.
What?
I don't long breakfast.
I know, for this hike you need to eat something as soon as you get to the campsite. I'll set up the tent and the stove so you can start cooking the meal. You can start cooking the meal.
Oh, start cooking?
Yeah.
You cooking?
No, you.
I don't cook.
What?
No. No?
Karen, did you hear this?
The menu?
Did you hear this, what she's saying?
I've heard her say it before, so I'm gonna have to say I believe it. What's that?
That's not okay. Mom, suddenly Winnie's saying she's not gonna cook for me at the camp.
She says she did not going to cook for anyone. I heard that. I heard that too. So you are included in that. You don't, she's not cooking for anyone.
Oh, look at here. It's like a, I think this is eagle feather or something.
That's a beautiful feather.
Yeah. No, it has some.
Not mess with the backpack. Ooh.
It's like an eagle feather.
Yeah. Nice. Stick it in there.
Oh, first smell it. Smell it.
Why?
No, the other side. Smell the other side.
Why? No, nothing.
Okay, good. Then put it. You want somebody put it in the poop.
Down there is a
Hey, slippery here. Okay, be careful. On the side, yeah. Please walk on the side. Don't do that, Winnie.
No, Costco already keeps the cooking already.
What's that?
The Costco already did the cooking for you.
Oh, they cooked it for you.
Yeah.
That's nice. See? Oh, see, no, the other way may be better.
Hey, how are you guys doing? Good.
When did you guys start? 3:30.
2:30.
What about you?
We started 3:30.
3:30.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going up, you're going down.
Yeah.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Way harder than us. Yeah, we have to go up that thing.
There's no uphill, right? It's all flat from here, I'm assuming.
It's kind of downhill.
Oh, downhill, yeah,
Flat
sorry.
downhill
Yeah.
from here. For us. Yeah, for you guys. For us. Yeah, not for us. You know, we're heading straight up.
Okay, guys, look at here, the cave. On the left side, let's go to the cave. Let's go this way. Yeah. And let's go to the cave, Rosemary. we'll take some cave pictures.
Oh, you're wearing your boots? Why was it?
See, all these paths, they go to the same thing. Okay. You want to give me your phone? Give me a phone.
I don't want this.
Yeah. So one. Yeah. One, two, three. Yeah. Rosemary, come here.
I got the cake.
Stand right next to. Here you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
The phone you guys sticking out your butt or something. That don't go. Your yellow behind you.
The pad? Which one?
The yellow hat behind you.
Ah.
Look funny in the picture.
So this bag, even though it's called Coyote 80, but it's a Kelty made. So I have Kelty bags, couple of Kelty bags with me, but this bag is the biggest. Yeah. Next camping trip we'll go is overnight stay at the Arizona Hot Springs.
I need another basket if we go to Montana because
Hi there.
my friends will leave my backpack back.
Oh,
I will have another one.
no, I have one that you can use. Yeah, because I'll bring the tent again, right?
Yeah.
So I'll carry the tent. I'll put, hi there. I'll put the tent, right? And then you can just carry the regular things that you carry, your food and whatnot all. And then, hi. What's that?
No, I'm holding coffee. So,
Hi there. Hi.
Rosemary asked if she can come to our meal.
Oh.
I said no. I said my friends want to come over. I said we're not going anywhere.
Good.
I said no, I'm not doing this one. I said my friends doing it.
You need to get like a guided trip where you need to pay for a guided trip.
Should I pick up?
For a guided trip, because then they will probably lift her up, put her on the shoulders and take her to the top. They cannot. I mean, she's, frankly speaking, she doesn't complain. Actually, yeah. Even if she, but you're right. The permit I only took it for 3 people. So if she needs to go, then she needs to tell way ahead of time. So I think there might be 1 or 2 permits. That's it. So, Musa. Girls, look at this structure. Very cool, right? Let me take one as well. Actually, if you take one, I'll just get it from you. If you take one, I'll just get it from you. Shit, there's some rocks in my shoe. Here, give me your phone. Stay here. Oh wow. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Because I don't mind to take her, but then the problem is like it's like now the accommodation is really harder.
Well, this time she need to get a hotel room for herself.
Yeah.
And then we'll just go pick her up.
I got the car.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Is it good road?
Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't have a problem she coming actually. I'll be honest with you. Because this time I know her accommodation is what is very, very important to her. So I'll freaking book the 4 Seasons hotel for her. Or if she can book it herself.
Oh, did you ask if I'm here or not?
Oh, they just sent me a message, ironically, yesterday night, right? They said they're in Washington right now. I'm like, oh. I told them as soon as I get back from Havasu Falls, I'm going to reach out to you and we're going to get together. They live like right next to your community actually.
I have a long time to know.
Yeah, so.
I mean, we have a car, so it'll be easier.
So I'm going to ask if they're willing to, because they did offer it before. So if they are willing to offer, I'll be like, hey.
Did you miss me and Martin and Joel yet?
I'm sorry?
I said you did not miss me and Martin and Joel.
Mount Kilimanjaro? I did miss.
No, you didn't.
Well, back then,
I think you called me,
yeah.
but I thought something was going on. I said, are you okay? I thought you dying or something.
Oh.
I said, why are you calling me?
That people, that's a strenuous thing. And when I called you, that's almost like I just want to take you with me without actually you with climbing all that, because that is not I did it so I know how crazy it is to go up there. Your heart like pounds like crazy.
And I was sleeping. I was like, are you okay? Why are you calling me?
But did you see what I showed you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That's what the point is for me to show you the
Who do you call first?
my brother, mom, dad, and then you. You know whom I missed is Daniel. She's so mad at me. Like she literally I told her, rest of the folks, they only saw that stupid the landmark event, but look at here. I'm going to show you the whole volcano. And I showed her the whole volcano. Then she's happy. Because you'll see the whole Kilimanjaro picture better from far away. Because, and also it doesn't open up often, right? You have to be like, yeah, but it's always foggy and clouds, behind the clouds. So that day it opened up. And I showed her immediately. I showed her, and she's partially happy. I think during my time with her, working out with her, I felt like I don't think so. There's nothing I can do to please her. That's how I felt it. So she's like, she always wants something more, which I cannot give.
She likes you. But now, does she know about you and me?
I told her at a high level, and she told me, don't believe the Chinese woman. They'll break your heart. They'll change. They just want to take advantage of you.
What to take advantage of?
And then I told her, you're a doctor. And then she said, why is a doctor going after you? She must be crazy. That's what she said. And I told her, no, she's not. But okay, back at that time, I was still getting to know you, right? I told her I haven't known her yet, but when I know her fully, I'll let you know. And she got mad at me, and she said, like, I saw a lot of shows, and those shows always talk about crazy women like this. And then I was like, and she keeps saying, I don't like Chinese women. I don't like Chinese people. And I'm like, no, I did not say all that. I told her, okay, I'll keep you posted on how it goes. And after that, one day, she wants to do some job, right? Hey, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Look at the landscape on the left side. So then I introduced her to a friend of mine, and then she approached her, and her intention is like this. She doesn't know anything about using computers, but she wants to get a job in IT. And she assumes that if I tell somebody, they'll just hire her without asking any questions. I said, the only thing I can do is getting you an interview. Rest of the things is something that you need to do by yourself. There's nothing much I can do. So she doesn't get it. Oh wow.
No, they're not gonna just hire her over here.
Yeah. So I don't know where the whole thing about and she kept saying, and then
she doesn't understand why wouldn't you like her and now you approach a Chinese woman. She's trying to see.
So, and then she keeps saying that you're a good man. Okay, so my friend, right, she told her the same thing. You cannot just like that approach me and tell me to get you a job. You have to work for it. You have to do something, like prepare for the interview, learn the programming language, whatever. And she called me and be like, dude, like what, is something wrong with you? I know you, so I helped her get a job, right? Remember I do some trainings. So she's one of my byproduct from the trainings. So she got a job and she's forever loyal to me. I'll tell you that. And